Hey everybody, this is Scott with Power 360 Media, and the video that you're about to watch is actually part of a series of about 18, 19 videos that we put together a few months ago. Just kind of an introduction to what AI can do for your business. And what I've decided to do is to put all these videos up on YouTube so you can watch them for free. I'm going to put a link down in the video so you can download a lot of the free content that we have. We've got some PDF documents and things like that, some supplementals that will go along with this. Um, but just be advised, with the advancement in technology and software and things like that. These videos were created about 6 months ago. There's already been advancements. So when let's say you log into ChatGPT, now there's some newer versions that are not referenced in the video and things like that. But still, the idea here was to put together a course that's really going to give you a good insight to how you can use AI with your business. We put this course together for real estate professionals, investors, real estate agents, real estate brokers, but really you can tailor this to any business that you may have. So hope you enjoy this. We've got about 18, 19 videos here that I'm going to put in a playlist. I'll put the link down to of the playlist below. I'll also have a link for all of the free documents and supplementals. Hope you enjoy it. Do me a favor, leave a comment and subscribe. That way you'll see when we post new videos about this. We'd love to hear back from you and see what we can do to help. Enjoy this introduction to AI and what it can do for your business. Thanks for watching.
All right, so we just created 10 emails for someone that downloaded our ebook. We want to switch it up a little bit because we don't want to have the exact same emails going out one after another. So the next thing I'm going to type in here is now come up with 10 fun facts about Olympia, Washington. And ChatGPT says, certainly here are 10 fun facts about Olympia, state capital, rich Native American history, Evergreen State College, arts and culture, Olympia oysters. So there's our 10 facts. And then the next prompt is going to be now write 10 more emails in the same style as above, with each based around each of these fun facts. You can see here email number 1 is about the state capital. Email number 2 is about culture. Email 3 about Evergreen State College. So we just got some fun facts here, some information for them. So it's just a way to kind of switch it up a little bit. Okay, so there's our 10 emails on the 10 fun facts about Olympia. So once again, we're going to hit copy. We're going to go over to our lead magnet. Let's see, where was that? We're going to go back over to our document here where we had our first set of 10 emails.
Everybody, just a quick break here. I wanted to say thanks for watching our videos. And if you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button. It means everything to us. Hopefully you're getting some value out of this content. And if you want to try out our free software, we've got a 14-day trial. It's a fully automated marketing and automation software that's built on the Go High Level platform, tailored to real estate professionals, tailored to home service professionals. We've got some great things that go above and beyond just what Go High Level offers, as far as, also just the additional support that we have in training. So if you want to try that out, go to p360trial.com. And again, hit like and subscribe. And I just wanted to say thanks again for watching.
And I'm just going to do a quick fun facts email. And I'm going to make that as a title just so I can have a space to separate it. We're going to paste that in there. Okay, so now we've got 20 emails. In just a matter of seconds, we've got 20 emails that we can use. We can kind of interchange in between the two. But we basically got 20 emails. I would recommend maybe sending out one a week, and we'll be talking about that, how to automate that process here shortly, towards the end of the course. But so now you've got a way here to create 20. Really, you can create endless amounts of emails. I'm just kind of using this as an example. And another thing, I really, as you're starting to use this, as you're starting to get familiar with ChatGPT, I'm sure there's going to be some things that you're going to see that you can come up with. I'm hopefully just kind of giving you a start down the path, but you'll start to come up with your own ideas of, emails and social media posts and things like that. So I'm just kind of giving you an overview of this stuff, but I'm sure you'll be coming up with a lot of your own great ideas. And I hope you share them back with me. Share the wealth. So anyway, hope that one was a good one. You've got some good emails here created just in a matter of just a couple of minutes.